The outdoor fan in your American Standard Silver 16 AC unit is crucial for cooling. If it's not spinning, your AC won't cool effectively. This fan circulates air over the coils to release heat, helping the refrigerant cool your home. Common causes include a faulty capacitor, which is the most frequent issue accounting for 40% of fan problems, a failing fan motor, obstructions or debris, or electrical issues. Let's look at the key components in the schematic diagram. The capacitor stores electrical charge to start the fan motor. Here's what a typical capacitor looks like. Notice the cross on top. The fan motor spins the blades to circulate air. The wiring diagram shows how the motor connects to the capacitor and power supply. These components work together for efficient cooling. Now let's dive into troubleshooting. Before starting any work on your American Standard Silver 16 AC unit, safety is paramount. Always disconnect the power to the unit at the breaker to avoid electrical shock. Next, inspect the outdoor fan for any visible obstructions. Common issues include leaves, debris, or ice that can block the fan blades and prevent proper operation. If you find any obstructions, carefully clear them away from the fan blades. This simple step can often resolve the issue without further repairs. Finally, test if the fan blades can spin freely by gently turning them by hand. If the blades are difficult to turn, there may be a mechanical issue requiring further attention. If the blades are hard to turn manually, this could indicate a mechanical problem with the fan motor or bearings. The capacitor is a common point of failure in the American Standard Silver 16 outdoor fan system. It acts as a small battery, storing electrical energy to provide the initial boost needed to start the fan motor. Before testing the capacitor, always ensure the power is completely off to avoid electrical shock. First, discharge the capacitor to release any stored electrical energy. Use an insulated screwdriver and carefully short the two terminals together for a few seconds. Next, disconnect the capacitor from the circuit by removing the wires attached to its terminals. Now, use a digital multimeter with capacitance testing capability. Set it to capacitance mode and connect the leads to the capacitor terminals. The display should show a reading in microfarads. Check the multimeter reading. For the Silver 16, the capacitor should typically measure between 5 and 10 microfarads. If the reading is much lower than this rated value, the capacitor has failed and needs to be replaced. If the capacitor is good, the fan motor might be the problem. Use your multimeter to check the motor windings for continuity. If there's no continuity, the motor is likely dead. Also, manually try spinning the fan. If it spins freely but doesn't run when powered after replacing a bad capacitor, the motor is a prime suspect. Note: some 2020-2024 models had a recall for faulty variable speed fan motors in humid climates. Check if your unit is affected. The contactor is an electrical switch that sends power to the fan motor. Inspect it for burnt or damaged contacts. The control board manages fan speed. A faulty relay on the board might prevent power delivery to the fan. These components require more advanced troubleshooting skills. If you're not comfortable working with electrical components, it's best to call a qualified HVC technician. The first step in addressing power supply issues is to confirm that the AC unit is receiving the correct voltage supply of 208-230 volts AC. A voltage drop can prevent the fan from starting, so testing this is crucial. Next, inspect the circuit breaker to make sure it hasn't tripped. A tripped breaker will cut power to the entire unit, causing the fan to stop spinning. Finally, examine the wiring for any loose connections or visible damage. Faulty wiring can interrupt the power flow to the fan motor, preventing it from operating properly. If the issue appears to be more complex electrical problems beyond a simple tripped breaker, it's important to consult a professional electrician or HVC technician for safe and proper diagnosis. Regular maintenance is key to preventing fan issues in your American Standard Silver 16. Start by cleaning the AC unit regularly to ensure good airflow. Debris and dirt can block the condenser fins and restrict air movement, putting extra strain on the fan motor. Consider replacing the capacitor every 5 to 7 years as a preventative measure. The capacitor is a common point of failure in the outdoor fan system, and proactive replacement can prevent unexpected breakdowns. The future of HVAC includes smart diagnostics and more durable components. Expect to see more systems with app connected monitoring that can alert you to potential fan issues before they become problems. More durable components, like solid state capacitors, will offer longer lifespans, reducing the frequency of replacements. Additionally, eco friendly refrigerants will help reduce corrosion related failures that can affect the fan system. If you've tried these troubleshooting steps and the fan still isn't spinning, or if you're uncomfortable working with electrical components, it's time to call a qualified HVAC technician. They can diagnose and repair more complex issues, ensuring your AC unit is running efficiently and safely. Remember, safety first.